Introducing this drive-type hydraulic torque wrench, made of aviation aluminum titanium alloy in one piece. It's strong and tough, with a max pressure resistance of 70 megapascals. The oil pipe joint rotates 360 freely, with no space limitations. The direct push drive shaft switches quickly between tightening and loosening. The reaction arm adjusts 360 finely, fitting any fulcrum, with a max torque of over 14万牛米. Pair it with a socket to tighten or loosen bolts. Slide the socket over the bolt, mount the wrench, and press down to test.